guys, welcome back to DT. Daily test different things. DT. Daily test different things. DT. The D T to the D D D T. When I say Delia, you say test. Delia, test. Delia, test. When I say different, you say things. Different. Different things. Alright guys, we're going to the dollar store so I can get stuff for slime, because we can't even make slime because we don't even have no liquid glue. We haven't had liquid glue for like a long time. Yeah, so we're going to go get slime, and she went in the pink is my sister right there, and she wants the one that bribed my grandmother to get slime. So yeah. So we're heading inside the car right now, but I'm giving a giveaway out. Not enough slime. Not enough slime. I'm gonna give a giveaway out for let me think. For $2, guys. $2, because yeah, that's the only one I'm gonna get. So $2, I'm giving a giveaway out for $2. Whoever subscribes,
No.
We're now getting inside the car.
You can go to a dollar store.
Dingy car.
But Dollar Tree don't cost that much. I mean,
Yeah, I'm not going on Dollar Tree. Way down at Dollar Tree. You can go right there at that store.
Yeah. Okay.
Dollar.
oh, it's hot.
I know it's burning up in here. It's a scorcher. It seriously is a scorcher. Are you hot? Yes. Look at your hair. Is it warm? I'm not sweating. Let me see. Am my head warm? No. It is. No, wait. No, not really. Not really. Probably just because you're hot. Yeah, I can feel my head is hot. I mean, not hot, it's like warm.
You know, those corroded things on my head.
Okay. Heading there. How are you supposed to be talking and looking at the screen the whole time? Okay.
Stage.
I wanna hold it. There, now talk. No, that's gonna get in my face. There, I'll hold it like that so you have to hold
Oh,
what I was saying. Oh, yeah, the giveaways for $2, guys. La. Alright, so we're now heading there, and we're out of the driveway. See? Got that house. And there's a house over there that has a pool in the back of it, and I really want it. We were hoping that they would let us, swim. So yeah, guys. Oh, and also my camera guy right here. Okay, so no, I'm not in my seatbelt right now, guys. If I get my seatbelt, she'll be able to get a seatbelt. We'll have to die together. And also my camera guy right here. It's the camera lady, actually. Hey, say hi. No, they can't see me. I'm the camera person. You know what I really wanted to save my money for? A camera. I just want me a whole big bin of slime. And also wants her some slime. Who's that?
What?
Someone just beeped at you.
What?
Someone kept talking at you.
Talking?
Honking! Beeping the horn.
That is.
It's a white dude, so. And, what is it? I want slime, you were talking about? Oh, yeah. She wants slime so much. She's been talking about it. And for the past few days, all she's been like, Deja. And she's like, Delia, you know, like, we should make the slime, like, you know what you're seeing? Like, we can just make slime right now. So today we try to make slime out of cornstarch and conditioner and face wash and lotion and hand soap, but it didn't work at all. It didn't work at all,
The next time, I'm doing it. Next time, I'm doing it for the sake of Sebastian. He already looking skinny. Okay, so we'll tell you that story. So when my grandma was watching us, when we first went to go see Sebastian, because grandma fed him, and she went to go, what do you call it? We had to go to Sebastian's house, but her house. You're not even looking at the camera. I don't care. We had to go to her house because what do you call it? We had to go to her house because we were gonna feed Sebastian. And you should have put your hair up. Cause you look better with your hair up. With your hair down, you look. That shoes on there. I'm just gonna get me a hair bow from grandma. You ain't got no hair bow on you? No, you should have got your hair bow off the dresser. Like all those hair bows like that. And then we call it. So Sebastian has an 8, so he looks so skinny. And at first when he walked out, I told grandma, "You got you a new dog?" She said, "No." I said, "Yes, he got you a new dog," because he was so skinny. I didn't even know who he was. So yeah, that's why everybody always feed your dogs, because if you don't, then it's gonna make you seem, if you lost your dog, say if your dog got lost and your dog comes back to your house and it doesn't look the same because it's too skinny, then that was actually your dog and you didn't know, then you're gonna have a big time, guys. Big time. Shut up. Okay, guys, we're going into the parking lot now. No one's there except for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1, 2, 3, 4 cars, which is including ours. So yeah, let's go inside. We're inside.
You know what?
Hi. Now we're looking for the glue. Alright guys, Grandma said we can go find the glue, so we're searching for the glue right now. It might be down here. I think that's where it's supposed to be. No. Wait. Okay, go down here. Let's turn it down. Oh, and also guys, we're coming here to get some shaving cream too. I didn't tell y'all that. We can get shaving cream right here. Ooh, can you get me fancy? Where's shaving cream? Where's shaving cream? I hope shaving cream right here. In one of those things. Well, obviously we can't find it. Shaving cream. Let's go ask them. Is it shaving cream? No. Wait, where's that smoke for it? Shaving cream. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be looking for the shaving cream. Got that. Go. Now I need glue. See guys? Got it. I got it. Now we're looking for the glue. Let's start from up here. Look everywhere, look down there, and then come next, like this. Like, just follow me. Sucks. For some reason, I doubt they even have glue here. How do you know? Now we gotta work our way down here, then we gotta go like that. What? Just follow me. So what we're looking for glue. Got the shampoo. Ooh, there's sodas. Coming! That's my grandma. Oh no, I was talking to you. Ew. Disgusting. Found it. We found it! They do have Elmer's. They don't have big gallons. We got to get $30. Let's just get 4 of those. No, the school glue is 2 for $1. 2 for $1? No, this is too small. 25 cents per ounce. How many ounces is this? That's 4 ounces. 25 cents per ounce. There's no 1 ounces. We can get 2 for $1. So we can these aren't. This is so small. Okay, get 4 of them. That's $4 right there. Actually, get 5 of them. Wait, no, just get 5 and see what Grandma says. And then we need some Gain laundry detergent to make it fluffy. No, you want beads? Don't you want beads? Yeah. Ooh, and we need some food coloring. That's pink. Ooh. You know what we've been needing? When I've been like trying to look at these slime videos and like making different stuff out of slime. I don't know. Let's ask for the food coloring. Do they have any food coloring? Like, dude, really? Oh yeah, we got the glue and stuff. I'll go ask. We got the glue. We got 5 of them, but first we have to see what Grandma says because you know how she is. But we have the glue. in the same room.
Hi guys, so yeah, I'm holding the bag over in the basket right now. Huh? They're outside smoking, so.
Here.
People?
So we just have to look.
Can you hold the video?
Okay. No, just leave like this and just talk.
Then I guess I'll just do that.
Okay.
Just give me this so you don't drop your tablet.
Food coloring, food coloring.
We gotta go down.
We have to get like plenty of different food colorings because I want
a box of food coloring.
I want some blues.
We're getting a box.
I want some reds.
I know.
How do you know if there's boxes here?
Why would they just?
Here's laundry detergent.
I mean, we don't need it. Actually, we do. Dang, it's $5. Where's all the other laundry detergent?
Look in the back inside.
Where's like $5?
Get back.
Just hang it like that and talk. There, now.
So, we're trying to look for the food coloring, but all the people that are supposed to be inside here, like cashiers and stuff, they're all outside and smoking, so we have to wait. And at least my grandma's actually letting us get it. I didn't really know she would actually let us get it. Deja, can't find it. I looked down these owls. Oh, and guys, it's not really like, I mean, we're just looking for a box of food. Ooh, cookie dough. We're just looking for a box of food coloring because, if you know what I mean, we need some food coloring for the freaking slime. They're outside. I'll ask. Okay. So we're gonna go ask them right now, but we can hope. I mean, like, homie's not even till 2 months. Okay, I thought that was out of time. We can call it. So, yeah.
I don't have food coloring from eggs.
And just, guys, if you, like, just have, I don't know, ask them. Benny.
So you adding on. You told me don't think you needed was glue.
Food coloring. Food coloring. Food coloring. Here, Grams.
You guys ready to go back to school?
Yes.
She's only coming to get blue and she ended up getting shaving cream. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Because we want to make slime.
When you talked to me, what was you making when you said glue?
And outside, I told you that one.
Well, y'all twins.
Yes.
I can tell.
4, 5, 6.
What school
Let's
you
see.
go to?
850.